Good day investors, welcome to the 6th of May 2015. The trade for today is called Growth Point or GRT. Last traded price was 27 Rand and the action on this one is to buy it. Entry level will be at 26.81, it's on the grey line here, and the target will be 28.43 on the green line. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 26.27. Looking at the current open trades at this moment, Woolies and MMI. MMI was traded on the 5th of May. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, and that's indicated by this black line. Did test this red line here at this moment, and that was the 10-day moving average. Currently just trading on it, and still a distance from the 20-day moving average to concern and show you there's more momentum downwards. Keep a close eye on this momentum. Currently the futures are showing a bit of a negative opening in this early morning trade as well. The US market, the Dow Jones, they closed about 142 points down from this high to this green line here. You can see on the top side, and that's the bottom side, and they're starting to lose momentum. Currently the futures are a bit positive. The European futures are a bit positive, and our futures are a bit negative for opening at 8.50 in early morning trade. Looking at the J200, looking at that extension of the green line here, there's the high, there's the low, tested that green line, there's another high, and it came down. So we need to be concerned here, low, high, and that high is lower than that high. At any time if it breaks this low here, more downside could be due. Or if it breaks that high, more upside could be due. The low level is 48,200 and the high point is 48,450. So keep a close eye on this movement, and the momentum is showing that we could actually start breaking down here. Reports came out, it's May. There's always the saying, stay away in May in the markets because they will come down from a high. Let's see if it could happen. And you can see earnings, the non-farm payrolls is due on Friday. And let's see how the markets react to that as well. Let's go to some retailers quickly. Shoprite still trading in this band, and I'm just going to use this red lines to indicate this to you. Look at this. And look at this. It's like a wedge. A lot of support here. And there's the resistance on the level of 170. We need to see if a breakup will happen or a breakdown will happen on this indication here. Mr. Price did come down, tested this low of 248. That's a negative pattern, similar, look at that, high, low, high, broke that low, and it physically went down in a negative channel. Currently trading at the bottom of the support here, and there's the middle of the support. So this one is now in a negative momentum again. Looking at your Woolies, similar pattern, down, going sideways, testing this 89.12 at this moment, currently trading at 89.65. If broken, more downside could be due. Keep a close eye on this market's movement currently. Banks, Barclays Bank, tested the middle here, closed to 188, 187, currently trading at 189. Also got this support here for breakup. But you can see the momentum is still a bit positive, but it's on the top as well. So if you extend this and you extend this, you can see it's getting to like a wedge, and anything could happen on this wedge. It can break up or it could start breaking down. Standard Bank. Trading to the side now, totally to the side here on the top, testing the middle Bollinger Band, was in a positive channel, now going sideways. Big question is, if you draw these lines up here, the support lines, will it start breaking up or will it go up? The current trading range is 172 and the high is about 175. So not a lot into it as well. INP, Investec. There, Investec broke that low there. More downside momentum could be down. Coming from that 113 levels now at 1110. So next low expectation is here at 110, even if it trades at about 111 Rand. Let's go and look at your MTNs. Doing precisely the same on MTN. low, high, low, high. That high is lower than that high. Any time for breaks is 240, more downside could be down to 250, and definitely supported by the middle green line here as well. Looking at Vodacom, exactly the same. Look at this, low, high, low, broke that low, more downside due to the 145, 144 level, and been tested by the middle green Bollinger Band as well, even if the share is trading at 147.53. So you can see there's a bit of uncertainty. Downside could be due in the market on a bit of a sell-off. Let's go and look at your Exaros. Exaro definitely did something positive here. From the low in the negative channel, broke the green, tested it high on the ceiling, came down under the 100 Rand, broke that high. Now the momentum could go up here to back to the 110, 111 Rand at this moment. Currently trading at 106. CFR, CFR, positive channels, beautiful actually at this moment, low, high, low, high, low, high, in the patterns you can see it. Currently the high to be tested is approximately about 109 Rand, low is about 106 Rand 61, shares trading 107.50. At any time for breaks, there's more downside could be due. One share I just want to add here is Telkom, and if you look at this Telkom, sideways pattern, broke the 79 Rand, went down, next expectation low could be back to the 75 Rand from the 77.58 levels. So you can see some shares are losing momentum, even the top 40 is losing momentum, and you can see the Dow Jones at this moment is coming from this highs. If you look at the Dow Jones, I just want to zoom in, they're coming from this highs, trying to come down here. Enjoy your trading.